Have you been searching for the perfect city commuter with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2017 Fiat 500e in Celeste Blue.
With bi-functioning halogen projector headlamps,
Tinted glass windows,
15-inch aluminum wheels,
power heated mirrors,
a rear window wiper and washer,
heated front seats,
steering wheel mounted audio controls,
21,000 miles on the odometer,
a 5-inch touchscreen display,
navigation,
integrated voice command with Bluetooth,
split folding rear seats,
a power sunroof, and an 83 kilowatt.
electric motor, and so much more.
For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5587.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.